Hey guys, how's it going? How's it going? So it's Ray at CMA, and it's a late night again. It's after 11 o'clock sometime. I'm not even sure, but I just want to show you the hood, the one I've been working on all day. I just want to point out a couple things. The rust area, the big bad rust area, it's now neutralized. It's been neutralized, washed out, sanded, wire wheeled, everything. So I mean, the rust is gone. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. The whole hood. It came out great. I'm very pleased with everything, how it turned out. It was looking bad. It really did not look good, but it's amazing when you just put yourself through it and get the job done. But hey, something I want to point out here, and I love finding these things. Where is it? Right there. Part numbers. So cool. Love showing them off. So the hood's ready to prime. I spent probably 15-20 minutes washing the thing. One of the things, when you've got bare metal like this and you're getting ready to prime it, one of the things you want to make sure is that you've got all the metal dust off it, because that's another thing that'll just lift the material. So wash the hood really good, so when you wash it for the last time, the cloth that you're wiping with is almost clean. No signs of metal on it. But now that the metal's clean, the edges are clean. So these edges, I couldn't believe it. The guy who did the work, and I don't know him, and it doesn't matter, but the whole hood, the edges, these edges right here, the edge and the pinch weld, everything was body filled. Everything was body filled. I can't imagine that. It makes no sense to me. But it's ready to go. Everything's clean. I'm going to prime it up tonight. I'm just getting ready to do that now. It's masked a little bit that needed to be. And I'm going to show you what it looks like tomorrow. I'm super, super pleased. It looks awesome, and I can't wait to show you. You guys have a great, blessed night. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.